What if I told you artificial intelligence doesn't think, it predicts? No consciousness, no emotions, just patterns. Learning how you behave. AI didn't begin as something powerful. It started as a question. In the 1950s, scientists asked, can a machine imitate human thinking? Early AI was simple, rule-based. If this then that logic. No learning, no creativity, just instructions written by humans. Most of it failed. But one idea survived: machines that learn from experience. Think of it less like a thinking machine and more like a prediction engine. The original dream was a conscious, feeling entity. But what we ended up with is something far different, and perhaps far more influential. So, what is AI really? It's not a robot brain. It's a system trained on massive amounts of data: text, images, voices, clicks, choices. Every single scroll you make, every pause, every decision you take online. AI doesn't know who you are. It doesn't care about your name or your life story. It just knows, with increasing accuracy, what you're likely to do next. It identifies the patterns in your behavior and uses them to guess your future actions, whether that's the next video you'll watch or the next product you'll buy. For AI, data is everything. It's the fuel that powers the entire system. The more data AI consumes, the better it becomes at prediction, not truth, not meaning, just probability. That's why AI can write an essay, draw a picture, or even speak in a human-like voice, all without understanding a single thing about what it's creating. It's just reassembling patterns it has seen before, in the most statistically likely way. It's a masterful mimic, a perfect parrot, but it has no comprehension of the words it says or the images it generates. So how does AI actually learn? Modern AI learns through a process called machine learning. It makes a guess, gets corrected, and then it repeats this process millions, sometimes billions of times. It's a brute force method of trial and error on a scale humans can't comprehend. Deep learning takes this a step further, using layers of artificial neurons stacked like a digital brain. It's not a mind, it's just math. Incredibly complex, incredibly powerful math, moving faster than we can possibly imagine. No awareness, no feeling, just calculation. This is why AI seems so smart. It isn't actually thinking ahead. It is predicting based on an enormous database of everything that has already happened. What we perceive as smart isn't true intelligence. It's simply accuracy achieved through massive repetition. When a machine makes the right guess 1 billion times in a row, we call it intelligent. But it's just a highly refined pattern matching system. It's a mirror reflecting our own collective past behavior back at us. And that brings us to the dark side. Because AI reflects its creators, any bias in the data becomes a bias in the results. A flawed history creates a flawed future. Errors can spread instantly and at a global scale. And perhaps the greatest danger of all is when humans begin to trust these machines too much, when we stop thinking for ourselves and outsource our judgment to an algorithm that doesn't understand right from wrong. If something in this video disturbed you or awakened a thought you can't escape, leave it in the comments. Your agony, your fear, your unanswered questions may become the story we uncover next. Subscribe to Dreadscape Agony, where we don't chase trends, we expose what haunts them.